Hello, my dear friends. Hearty welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. I hope so you are eagerly waiting for my videos, for the exciting concepts and the wonderful problems. I hope so. So, let us again go through our problem connected to our linear equations in one variable. It is also known as simple equation. So, what is our question? Solve for k. Nothing but k is our variable in the given question. So 3 by 5 of 5 by 3 into 1 by 4 k plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to k. So this is a problem. We have to find out the solution for this. So this is a equation, linear equation in one variable. So how to proceed? You might think that it is also there in your 7th, 8th, 9th, even though in the 10th you will be getting in the state boards and various CBSE, ICSE, even IGCSE, but it seems to be very easy, but don't get afraid by seeing the question here. So many of the students will go through the solution by considering here the LCM part, simplifying again LCM, again here taking the LCM, getting the k value. So that is the longest process. Even though you will get the solution, but in the competitive spirit, longest process is avoided and go for the better way to get the answer quickly. Now let us start our problem. So let 3 by 5 of 5 by 3 to 1 by 4k plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to k. Mark as our equation 1. So multiply with 3 by 5 for the bracket. So I can write 3 by 5 of into 5 by 3. So 1 into k by 4 plus 1. And here this 3 by 5 is meant for the total square bracket. So this part is completed, plus again 3 by 5 into 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to k. So don't multiply 3 by 5 for 1 by 2 because 3 by 5 is meant only for our square bracket one. So here operation is multiplication, 5 ones are 5 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are. Or the reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Reciprocal is also said to be multiplicative inverse. So in both the ways you can go through it. So finally 1 into 1, 1 by 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 into k by 4 plus 1 plus here it is again 5 ones and 5 ones. So k by 4 plus 1 plus 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to k. If you observe carefully, here it is LHS, totally 4 terms. Now go for the better calculation. K by 4 plus 1 plus 3 gives you 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to k. Now shifting all the k terms to LHS, this shifting k terms to LHS and this constant to RHS. I can write it as now k by 4 minus k is equal to 1 by 2 minus 4 because both the terms has been shifted to RHS. So the signs will change. By 1 here it is, the LCM is 4. Nothing but I can write it as k minus 4k. And here also the same thing, again I can write it as 2 and here it is 1 minus, this gives you 4 into 2 is 8. What I done, LHS and RHS, I have gone through the LCM part. Nothing but after this one I can write it as minus 3k by 4 is equal to minus 7 by 2. Now this is a simple equation in the variable k. Even though this is also the simple equation, but after simplifying we got the basic steps how to solve. This you have been learned in your lower standards, 7th and 8th standards. Now cross multiply and here minus and minus get cancelled. Our intention is to get the k value. Now I can write 3 by 4 into k is equal to 7 by 2. Since the operation is multiplication, I can write it as 7 by 2, k is equal to 7 by 2 into 4 by 3. Transforming 3 by 4 to RHS becomes reciprocal. So now I can go for it to ones and to twos. So k is equal to, now here it is 7 into 2 by 1 into 3. Finally gives you k is equal to 14 by 3. So the value of the variable k of the simple equation leads to 14 by 3. So after seeing the question, don't quickly switch on to the LCM part for the bracket ones, and it is the lengthiest process. So go for the easiest one step by step, and removal. This type of problems are said to be removal of the brackets. Once if the brackets are removed, finally we will get like this part, up to this part very easily. Then we can go through it. So first 3 to 4 steps are very very important, and this step also plays important role here. Okay, later you are going to get this one, and here we applied the multiplicative inverse concept. So in this way we can overcome the problem in a better way. So after seeing the question, go through it very carefully and solve the given equation. So this type of problems are also very important for your competitive examinations, what you are going to write in the, even in the Polyset or after your 10th standard for various defense examinations, RRB and IBPS, nothing but bank job examinations. So in this way we can overcome the problem. This you have to do in 1 hour, 1.5 minutes in the various competitive examinations. So I hope so you have got the better experience of this problem. In this way we can overcome it. So please viewers, after watching my video, like, share, comment and subscribe our S Square Maths YouTube channel for more exciting videos. You can have it. Thank you.